Hello everybody, welcome to the Creative Teaching channel. This time we're going to learn about some materials and patterns by our washing machine. First, we must know how to do the laundry. When we want to wash our clothes, we must pay attention to signs on this washing machine. Here you can see the cotton sign on this washing machine. Most of the casual clothes, I mean the clothes that we wear at home, are made of this. This t-shirt is made of cotton. Here you can see the silk sign. Silk is a very soft cloth that some of the scarves, shawls, and also party dresses are made of that. This shawl is made of silk. Here you can see the wool sign. Wool is a kind of material that most of the winter or autumn clothes are made of that. They are warm clothes. This jumper is made of wool. Here you can see the mix sign. I mean, you can wash every kind of clothes together. Now look at the patterns of these clothes. Is it a plain or does it have a pattern? Oh, this is a plain t-shirt. This is a plain t-shirt. Striped. This is a striped t-shirt. Checked. This is a checked blouse. Polka dot. This is a polka dot blouse. Floral. These are floral trousers. Now let's learn how to make this washing machine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more new video updates.